y'all, Loc Therapy in action again. So I'm going to ask this young lady a couple of questions and we could talk about the benefits of it. Ma'am, how long have you had your locks?
5 years.
Can you reach in the back and tell me where you started at when we started with your locks? Well, I didn't start them, but all right, 5 years. Can you give me some tips to share with the people? What do you consistently do to maintain your hair?
I brush my hair at least once or twice a week. Brush out any lint on it.
Because there's no lint in there.
I wrap my hair every night. I put on some type of a satin wrap or a bonnet at night. I keep my scalp moisturized, oiled. And
so good maintenance practice.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All right, wonderful. Hold on 1 second. Beautiful spiral set. And so how long you think it's going to take you to sit on the dryer and get your hair dry?
Several hours.
All right. Well, y'all, that's one down. And this is a 9-year-old?
8-year-old.
8-year-old. Beautiful, clean, healthy locks. And they brush them. So again, don't forget to brush your locks. All right, so we have some 2 strand twists. Look how nice and neat and clean those locks are. Again, what we said you got to do what to your locks? Brush your locks.
Brush your locks.
And look how beautiful those spiral sets are. Gonna be beautiful. Don't forget, do what?
Brush your locks.
Brush your locks. Awesome.